So I've never used Cursor before, and it's my first time actually doing something heavily with AI or vibe coding or doing anything at all relating to AI. So I'm just here to check it out, and I plan on doing this like recording and stuff just for record, you know. So at first I'm going to try to replicate a project of mine called Michelle where it's written in C, and I will try to, you know, make it but in Cursor. I'm using the free plan. I'm just checking it out. I have spent zero money. It's the first time I've opened Cursor in my entire life. I have no idea how this works. I'm probably gonna have to edit this video out sometimes. But let's go. So I think this is how I am thinking. This is the chat. So I'm gonna put. So this is the prompt I'm using. Okay, so it finished generating the code. So we have here the structure. Let's just take a look on how it is. So I have in here, everything source, have nothing on assets, I think. Okay, so let's compile it, and I have a compile error. Let me get our good old VS Code here. There isn't a hashtag here. Alright, let's put it here. No root make target executor. Okay, so the make file is all fucked up, so let's see. Alright, let's grab our cursor here and make it very clear what it's missing. So right, it finished thinking. So let's see if I do make f clean make. Okay, and mini shell ls pwd. So ls get ls get ls get ls get. So we have env, we have export. Right, export is not in order, and also export should print, if we do this, export should print the declare s, but let's go. So can we do stuff? Nano a.sh. So echo hello chmod 7778. Oh, okay, so we cannot execute show commands. Okay, this is not pretty good, but so we have this. Here doc is not working. Hello, hey, hello. Okay. If we do echo hello echo, we do okay, if we do exit, then we do exit 10 and we get off. Okay, yeah, so of course there are some mistakes. I can alright, yeah. So if we execute, we can see that there are some mistakes. if we do mini shell, for example, here we do pwd, we do ls, we do, I don't know, echo hello, let's put it to b.dishes.txt, so get b.txt, it's working, but some things are not. For example, the export, if we do export 1 equals I, okay, so this is working. And we do env, we have this, and then we do export cell equals and then env, and then unset solve, export env, export env, grep okay, export grep no, export, so export grep brava. Alright, so some things are not really working, some things are, I guess I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 project. Let's try this with Valgrind actually. So Valgrind leak check equal full. What are the flags exactly? My bad. Let's do this. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get rid of this. So if we do a env, so do home a, yeah, okay, there's this bug. And if we do home and then a, this is wrong as well. And if we exit, we have a bunch of reachables, most of them from readline, I guess. Yeah, I think they're all from readline. Okay, at least we have no leak historic. So process, oh, okay, just format history. Let's go all the way to the top. Okay, it doesn't leak out. I'm quite surprised with this. So this was the mini show project. Now let's move on to something else. Let's try to do a website. Let's see, yeah. Open here and then file, open folder, website. Okay. Again, I'm using the free version just to keep it in mind. So create me a portfolio website. It should include my image. It should have a login. It should have a login page with the credentials being user, it's gonna be Vinny, password being 123. This is the only way to log into the server, to the website, into the editing part of the website. So have two parts, editing part only, in the direct access to the editing part if I want to. On this portfolio, there will be a link to my GitHub. So we did this and this. My portfolio, so also to my CV. So my CV is right. Documents, downloads. Right here. Design yourself. I want a simple website with the main colors being dark gray and some and white. Yeah. It should run on my local machine with a Maria DB. To handle the logging stuff. Whatever server and next you want. So let's just do this with ChatGPT. This is a prompt to an AI improve it. Okay, so let's use this. Yeah, this will do. Let's see what we will have here. We go on start .sh and we have a failure. Let's just copy paste everything into here. Oh, let's get the requirements. Sudo pacman MariaDB. Alright. So we have here our localhost. We have a bunch of stuff. I don't even know what is this, to be honest. Access denied for user using password. Yes. I'm just gonna follow the basic logic, which is the. So we have our login. Let's do a invalid username. So Vinny123. Okay. So it's not opening my CV, alright. I mean, yeah, okay, it's fair. It doesn't list my stack, but I can hear add projects. Okay, okay, cool. That's actually pretty nice. Let's again log in, and then I have the option to add our skills, and if we go, okay. I mean, it's solid, it's valid. I'm not a front-end dev, so I have no idea if this is a good website or not. No, well, there's my LinkedIn. Okay, so what happens if I say make the design better and add an about me, my education, and put more icons on the website to make it better. What else do I want to add? The projects will have a GIF to display them that I can or not add on the admin part. Okay, yeah, now this is much better. Yeah, okay. Now on the admin, I can edit everything. I mean, I cannot add stuff, but okay. Oh, so it's enter a URL, display order. Yeah, no, this is very fair. Let's do a GIF. So let's get this GIF right here. Copy link, and then it's gonna be the first. Save. Okay, now let's log out, and it doesn't show the GIF. Alright, yeah. But I guess it's something. Now last but not least, let's do a converser. Yeah, this is, I have no idea, by the way. Okay, some SQL I can get it, but like this Python stuff, no idea what it's doing. So create a converter where I can a CLI converter where I call the executable and give the argument as what dot it should be. I want to convert audio files and video files. It should automatically recognize what it is and then convert it. Example executable my file mp3 ogg. Then let's copy this png. Now let's get ChatGPT to enhance this prompt. Yeah, I don't want to go to like hard code it is in C. Mm, yeah, okay, so we have this in any language of your choice. Just kidding. Choose between C, CPP. Yeah, C or CPP. Or Python. Okay. No, but I don't want to correct this. So we're gonna convert Purple Mountains to a PNG. And there we have it. What if we did this into an OGG? It's not supported for this file type, okay. So what if we copy down over, let's do this Kikwo song into OGG. We actually have this. Damn! Sometimes it's better than I expected. Sometimes it's worse. Like when I, in the first one it tried mini shelf stuff, we had the, yeah, let's do this. Gotta be better. So here on Minishow, first the make file wasn't working and there are a lot of mistakes here. But it's fair because it's the biggest project. I mean, it took me 4 months to do it. We have like a nice include. It is like decently structured. I don't like these badass commands, but anyway, we have. This is the, oh yeah, we can't execute shell commands, for example, but the redirections are working. We have some. We have some files here. On the executor, we have some fair stuff as well. Regarding the websites, I really liked it. It was low-key better than I expected, the website. Let's make this run again. We have an animation when we come. We have some more icons here. Oh, let's see if the site is responsive. Hold up. So let's inspect this, and then we come here. Yeah. Yeah, it's low-key responsive. So we have also responsive. Pretty mind-blowing for me, for someone that is an AI hater. So we did this, and then it separates. Okay, yeah, it's not the best, but I did in like 3 minutes. Yes, yes, yes. This is the result, to be honest. Some things were better than what I expected. Some things were worst. But it does work. Like if you want basic stuff, and also I'm not a prompt engineer. I'm not a prompt guy. I'm sure there are a lot of things that I could have done better regarding my prompt. I like the idea of putting it to ChatGPT and stuff. But yeah, I guess that was the video. Bye.